Assalamu alaikum. We have finished lesson number 11 and today we are going to start lesson number 12. The village blacksmith, who is a hard-working common man. So common man means आम आदमी जो अपनी रोजी रोटी कमाता है. Hard working, नारे मजूर सिमन वनान ठीक है. So let's move to connect. Tell us about a time when you tried very hard or worked very hard. So uh, I'll tell you of a time when I usually worked hard when I had my exams. जब मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स हुआ करते थे तब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क हार्ड करती थी. ओके सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई डोंट वर्क हार्ड. ओके reflect. Why do they say hard work always pays? Do you agree? Give reasons. Yes, hard work always pays. Why? Because see, I work hard when I have exams. I work very hard, and what is the result of that? I get good marks. I get good grades. That is, it pays. It always pays. Okay, no matter it pays no matter, it's not necessary कि hard work pays you क्विकली. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल आपने एक साइड से हार्ड वर्क किया, 2 मिनट में क्या हुआ, 2 मिनट में आपका क्या हुआ, 2 मिनट में आपका रिजल्ट आया. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप हार्ड वर्क करते जाओगे करते जाओगे करते जाओगे, देयर इज़ अ टाइम जब आपको उसका फल मिलता है. इट्स नॉट कि एक ही प्रोसेस में एक ही गो में आपको उसका फल मिलेगा, फॉर इंस्टेंट वे में आपको उसका फल मिलेगा. नहीं, इट और मे बी किसी को लेट फल मिलता है, किसी को जल्दी फल मिलता है. सो मे बी someone gets fruits early, someone gets its fruits late. किसी को फल पहले मिलता है, किसी को देर में मिलता है. You meet a very hard-working person who tells you about their long days and work. Write a short role play about the meeting. So, for example, you meet a person, you discuss with him, you meet him, and he tells you that I work very hard day and night, and he is a for long days he works very hard. So, what start a conversation with him, and then after that write a short role play about the meeting. So, किसका क्या रोल था उस मीटिंग में. तो जब आपने उससे बात की, आपका क्या रोल बना उस मीटिंग में. तो अगर उसने आपसे बात की, उसका रोल क्या बना आपकी मीटिंग में, क्या फ़ायदा हुआ. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. सो बिफोर वी रीड, हेनरी वर्ड्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो, जिसको हम एच.डब्ल्यू. लॉन्गफेलो भी बोलते हैं, ही वॉज बॉर्न इन 1807 एंड ही डाइड इन 1882. ही वॉज एन अमेरिकन पोइट and educator means one who deals with one who is in education at all. Okay, he was educator means teacher rather. He was born in Portland, Maine, USA. He was born in Portland. He published his first poem at the age of 13. 13 साल की उम्र में उसने पहली poem अपनी publish की. He was an avid reader. Avid reader means he read lot of books, okay, and liked reading stories set in foreign lands. और उसको वो स्टोरियाँ पसंद थी जो कि foreign lands में दूसरी countries में बनी होती थी, जिसकी setting जो थी दूसरी countries की हुआ करती थी. He was well versed in several foreign languages, means he knew various foreign languages. His works include the Song of Hiawatha and the Arrow and the Song. Many of his poems have been translated into 24 languages. 24 languages में उसकी poems जो है वो translate हुई है. Means कि वो कितना famous हुआ होगा फिर. Okay. The Village Blacksmith is a poem published in the Knickerbocker magazine in 1840. So Village Blacksmith poem है जो कि Knickerbocker magazine, Knickerbocker is the name of a magazine, और इसी magazine में ये poem publish हुई थी. Longfellow used to pass a Cambridge cemetery every day as he walked to Howard College where he used to teach. So what made Longfellow write this poem, The Village Blacksmith? Whenever he went to the college, Howard College, जहाँ पे वो पढ़ाता था, वो उसके रास्ते में एक स्मिथी आती थी. स्मिथी मीन्स जहाँ पर आयरन बनता है, और ये मेरी जहाँ पे लोहे को क्या करता है, मूनता है. It's believed that this poem is based on him. Okay, this poem is based on him. However, Longfellow told his father that the poem is based on their ancestor Stephen Longfellow, who was a blacksmith. So it is believed that the poem is based on him. Based on whom? Based on Longfellow. However, Longfellow told his father, but Longfellow ने अपने पापा से बोला कि, अपने फादर से बोला है कि this poem is based on what? This poem is based on their ancestor Stephen Longfellow जिसका नाम था, and he was a ब्लैक स्मिथ. उसी बेसिस पर ये पोएम लिखी गई है. द पोएम इज रिटन एज अ काइंड ऑफ अ बैलड. ये बैलड की बैलड इज एक्चुअली अ लव सॉन्ग. अ बैलड इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ पोइट्री दैट टेल्स अ स्टोरी इन शॉर्ट स्टैंजाज. और इट इज it is a form of poetry that tells you a story in short stanzas. Okay, here we have one short stanza, then we have another short stanza, and it tells you going on story. Okay, we will stop here. Tomorrow we will begin reading this poem. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.